Hello students, good morning. Today we will solve operating ratios, some problems of operating ratios and some problems of operating profit ratio. Okay. So see first problem. Calculate operating ratio from the following information. Revenue from operations, that is sales, rupees 2,60,000. Revenue from operation returns, that is sales return, 10,000. Cost of revenue from operations, 1,50,000 rupees. Selling expenses, rupees 40,000. And administrative expenses, rupees 20,000. Okay. So now we will calculate operating ratio. So let's start. We will solve first problem. See in the problem, revenue from operations is given and sales returns is there. So we have to calculate net revenue from operations first. So net revenue from operations is equal to revenue from operations minus returns, so is equal to 2,60,000 minus 10,000, and that is 2,50,000 rupees. So net revenue from operations is 2,50,000 rupees. First problem, we are calculating net revenue from operations from deducting return by deducting returns from revenue from operations. Okay. Now selling expenses, administrative expenses, etc. is given. So we have to calculate total operating expenses. Therefore, operating expenses is equal to selling expenses plus administrative expenses, means indirect expenses, plus administration expenses. So is equal to selling expenses 40,000, administration expenses 20,000. So answer is 60,000 rupees. So operating expenses are rupees 60,000. Okay. And now we will write the formula of operating ratio. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations plus operating expenses minus operating income divided by revenue from operations, means net revenue from operations. Okay. Now in this problem, operating incomes are not there. So cost of revenue from operations plus ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस, मी या ठिकाणी ऑपरेटिंग इन्कम स्किप केलेला आहे. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की फॉर्म्युलामध्ये कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स प्लस ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस मायनस ऑपरेटिंग इन्कम आहे. ऑपरेटिंग इन्कम ते नाही आहे म्हणून मी लिहित नाही आहे. ओके. सो डिवायडेड बाय रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, हे नेट आहे, हे लक्षात ठेवा. नेट रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इंटू 100. ओके. सो cost of revenue from operations is given in the problem 1,50,000 plus operating expenses we have calculated 60,000 divided by net revenue from operations we have calculated here 2,50,000 into 100. So 1,50,000 plus 60,000, 2,10,000 divided by 2,50,000 into 100. These 4 zeros will be cancelled against these 4 zeros. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. 21 into 4, that is 84%. So operating ratio is 84%. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this problem. Next problem now. From the following information, calculate operating ratio. Revenue from operations rupees 6,80,000. Rate of gross profit on cost 25%. Selling expenses rupees 1,44,000. Administrative expenses rupees 73,000. So now we will calculate operating ratio from this information. In this second problem, as we have discussed, gross profit percentage is given on cost, revenue from operations is given, selling expenses and administrative expenses are given. Okay, so we know the formula: operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations plus operating expenses minus operating income divided by revenue from operations into 100. I will write the formula first. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations plus operating expenses minus operating income. But again, in this problem we know that there is no operating income, so divided by revenue from operations into 100. This is the formula. So we have to calculate first cost of revenue from operations, then total operating expenses, and revenue from operations is given in the problem. So after that we can calculate this ratio. So let's calculate cost of revenue for operations first. Here rate of gross profit on cost 25% is given. Therefore this is given. Okay, therefore assume cost of revenue from operations is equal to 100. Therefore gross profit will be rupees 25, as it is 25%, and therefore revenue from operations, after adding gross profit in cost of revenue from operations, we can get revenue from operations. So revenue from operations, that is sales, is equal to 125 rupees. Okay, now if revenue from operations is 125, cost of revenue from operation will be 100. If revenue from operations is 125 rupees, in this sense cost of revenue from operations is rupees 100, then if in the given problem revenue from operations is 6,80,000, what will be the cost of revenue from operations? Okay, so here 6,80,000 divided by 125 into 100 is equal to 25 4 जा 100 जा and 1,36,000 into 4, that is 5,44,000. Okay, so cost of revenue from operations for this revenue from operations is 5,44,000. Now we will calculate operating expenses. Operating expenses is equal to addition of given expenses, that is selling expenses and administrative expenses. So is equal to selling expenses 1,44,000 plus administrative expenses 73,000. So total amount is 2,17,000. Okay. Now we can calculate operating ratio because we have all the information required for calculating this ratio. So operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations. Here we have calculated cost of revenue from operations 5,44,000 plus operating expenses 2,17,000 divided by revenue from operations. Revenue from operations given in the problem 6,80,000 into 100. Okay, so 7,61,000 divided by 6,80,000 into 100. So percentage is 111.91%. Okay, so operating ratio is 111.91% in this problem. See this problem now. From the following statement of profit and loss of Yash Limited for the year ended 31st March 2016, compute operating ratio. Statement of profit and loss is given directly in this problem for the year ended 31st March 2016. Revenue from operations, that is sales, 16 lakhs. Add other incomes 40,000. So total revenue is 16 lakhs 40,000. Less expenses, purchases of stock in trade 9 lakhs 60,000. Changes in inventories of stock in trade negative 25,000 rupees. Employee benefit expenses 1,80,000. Finance cost 46,000. Depreciation and amortization expenses 40,000. And other expenses 1,15,000. Note number 1. So note will be given after this statement. Total expenses are 13,16,000. And after deducting these total expenses from total revenue, the profit before tax is 3,24,000. Okay. Now notes. So one note is given. See the note. Notes to accounts. Other expenses. In other expenses there are three expenses. Administrative expenses 70,000. Selling expenses 31,000 and loss on sale of machinery 14,000. Total amount is 1,15,000. Okay. So from this information we have to calculate operating ratio now. So in this problem, statement of profit and loss is given, and from this given information we have to calculate operating ratio. So I will write the formula. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operations into 100. Okay, now again here no need to deduct operating incomes because operating incomes are not given in the problem. So we will calculate first cost of revenue from operations. Cost of revenue from operations is equal to, see in the problem we know the formula of cost of revenue from operations, that is opening inventory plus net purchases plus direct expenses like carriage inward or wages etc. minus closing inventory. Okay, so here purchases amount is given in the statement and there is changes in inventory of stock in trade, that is difference between opening and closing inventories. So we will take it directly as I have explained in earlier video. Okay, so cost of revenue from operations is purchases of stock in trade plus changes in inventory changes in inventory. So purchases of stock in trade given in the problem is 9,60,000 plus here changes in inventory is given in bracket rupees 25,000, that is it is negative amount. So 25,000, it means 9,60,000 minus 25,000. So 9,60,000 minus 25,000, so it will be 9,35,000 rupees. So cost of revenue from operations, we have calculated 9,35,000 rupees. Okay, so now we will calculate operating expenses from the given statement. See the statement in the balance sheet. We all know the operating expenses formula. Operating expenses include employee benefit expenses, depreciation and amortization expenses, other expenses like office administrative, selling, etc., discounts, bad debts, interest on loans, etc., everything. Now see the statement here. Employee benefit expenses is given, depreciation and amortization expenses is there. Similarly, administrative and selling expenses are there. So we will take all these expenses together. Employee benefit expenses plus depreciation and amortization expenses म्हणजे charges plus other expenses, that is administrative. They have given notes to accounts of other expenses and there are three items: administrative expenses, selling expenses and loss on sale of machinery. But we have to take only administrative expenses and selling expenses. So is equal to 1,80,000 plus depreciation and amortization expenses plus administrative expenses plus selling expenses. So addition is 3,21,000. Operating expenses are 3,21,000 rupees. Now we will calculate operating ratio. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations, we have calculated here 9,35,000 plus operating expenses 3,21,000 divided by revenue from operations given in the problem 16 lakhs into 100. So is equal to 12,56,000 divided by 16 lakhs into 100. Correct it. We will cancel these three zeros with these three zeros and these zeros with these zeros. So 1256 divided by 16, and so the answer is 78.5%. Okay, operating ratio 78.5%. Understood? Now in this problem we will calculate operating profit ratio, the third ratio in this list. See the problem. Calculate operating profit ratio in the following cases. Three different cases are given. First case, in first case revenue from operations, that is sales, will be rupees 6 lakhs and operating profit rupees 1,20,000. Second case, revenue from operations rupees 5 lakhs and cost of revenue from operations rupees 4 lakhs and operating expenses rupees 20,000. In third case, revenue from operations rupees 10 lakhs, gross profit 25% on sales, and operating expenses rupees 70,000. So for this every case we will calculate operating profit ratio. Let's start. So in this problem we have to calculate operating profit ratio now, and there are three cases in this problem as we have discussed while reading the problem. So we will have to solve all the cases one by one. Okay, first I will write operating profit ratio, that is the formula of operating profit ratio. Therefore operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. Okay, now operating profit means gross profit minus operating expenses plus operating incomes. म्हणजे ग्रॉस प्रॉफिटमध्ये ऑपरेटिंग इन्कम्स ॲड केलं, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिटला आपण तेच करतो, फायनल अकाउंट्स आठवा, आणि त्यातून डेबिट साईडचे ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस लेस करतो की ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट येतो. ओके, डिवायडेड बाय रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेसची लिस्ट आपल्याला माहिती आहे, लास्ट प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपण ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेसची लिस्ट पुन्हा एकदा वाचली होती, त्यामुळे ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट आपल्याला काढता येईल जर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस दिलेले असतील, ऑपरेटिंग इन्कम्स दिलेले असेल आणि ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट दिलेलं असेल तर डिवायडेड बाय रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इंटू 100. ओके, सो नाव लेट्स सॉल्व फर्स्ट केस फर्स्ट in this problem. In this case revenue from operations, that is sales, is given and operating profit is given, so we can directly calculate the ratio. So operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit given in the problem is 1,20,000 divided by revenue from operations 6 lakhs into 100. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60, and 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 20%. So in first case operating profit ratio is 20%. Now case second. See, in the second case revenue from operations is given. Okay, now cost of revenue from operations rupees 4 lakhs and operating expenses rupees 20,000. These amounts are given. So for calculating operating profit we have to deduct operating expenses from this gross profit. Okay, so let's see, here we have to calculate operating profit first and then we can calculate operating profit ratio. Okay, so revenue from operations 5 lakhs, cost of revenue from operations 4 lakhs, operating expenses rupees 20,000. Now here gross profit directly is not given, but we know that revenue from difference between revenue from operations and cost of revenue from operations, that is 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs will be gross profit obviously. Okay, हे डायरेक्टली तुम्ही ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 1 लाख घेतलं तरी चालेल, तरी पण मी कॅल्क्युलेट करून दाखवते. फर्स्ट वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स म्हणजेच सेल्स, हे लक्षात ठेवा, मायनस कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. ओके, सो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू हियर रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स 5 lakhs minus cost of revenue from operations 4 lakhs, so it is rupees 1 lakh. कळतंय? So rupees 1 lakh is gross profit. Now operating expenses are given in the problem, so gross profit minus operating expenses will be operating profit. Therefore operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses. Gross profit 1 lakh minus, see the operating expenses given in the problem 20,000, so answer is 80,000 rupees. So operating profit is 80,000 rupees here. Okay, and now we have calculated operating profit and revenue from operations is given in the problem. So now we can calculate the ratio. So operating profit ratio, therefore, is equal to operating profit. Here we have calculated 80,000 divided by revenue from operations. See the problem, revenue from operations is given 5 lakhs into 100. Okay, so these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. This 1 zero will be cancelled with this. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 8 into 2, that is 16%. So operating profit ratio in second case is 16%. And now case third. See the case third. I am reading again from the problem. Revenue from operations 10 lakhs is given. Gross profit is 25% on sales, means 25% of 10 lakhs, and operating expenses are given. Okay. So first we have to calculate gross profit. Gross profit is equal to 25% on sales. It is given in the problem. Okay. Therefore, gross profit is equal to 25% of sales amount given in the problem, that is revenue from operations 10 lakhs. So gross profit is equal to 2,50,000. कळतंय 10 lakhsच्या 25%. Okay, so 2,50,000. Now here operating expenses are given. So operating profit will be gross profit minus operating expenses. Therefore operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses. So is equal to 2,50,000 minus, see the operating expenses given in the problem, rupees 70,000. So 70,000. So answer is 1,80,000. Okay, and now we have operating profit, we have revenue from operations already, so we can calculate operating profit ratio. So operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit 1,80,000 divided by revenue from operations. See the revenue from operations given in the problem is 10 lakhs into 100. These 4 zeros will be cancelled against these 4 zeros. Okay, 100, 100 and 18. So answer is 18%. So we have solved 3 cases in this problem. In first case, operating profit ratio was 20%. In second case, 16%. In third case, it is 18%. Okay. Now, next problem of operating profit ratio and today's last problem. Calculate operating profit ratio from the following information. Revenue from operations, that is sales, rupees 8 lakhs. Gross profit 25% on cost. Office and administrative expenses rupees 20,000. Selling expenses rupees 28,000. Loss by fire rupees 10,000. Okay, so let's calculate now operating profit ratio. And this is today's last problem, that is fifth problem. We have discussed the problem revenue from operations given in the problem. Gross profit is 25% on cost. Office and administrative expenses, selling expenses, and loss by fire is given here. Okay, so here cost of revenue from operations we have to assume 100, and from that we can calculate the next cost will be 100. Gross profit is given 25% on cost, so gross profit will be rupees 25. So revenue from operations will be 125. Okay, so I will write it here one by one. GP ratio, GP is equal to 25% on कॉस्ट. आपण मगाशी पण हे पाहिलं होतं बघा. देअरफॉर अज्यूम कॉस्ट ऑफ, हे फार मोठं, रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज इक्वल टू 100. देअरफॉर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट विल बी ₹25 and therefore revenue from operations will be ₹125. ओके. आता प्रॉब्लेममध्ये बघा आपल्याला ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट रेशो काढायचा आहे. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट रेशो काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट काढावं लागेल. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट काढावं लागेल. बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे आपण आता ह्याच्यावरून डायरेक्टली ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट काढायचं आहे. कसं कॅल्क्युलेशन करता येईल बघा. when the revenue from operations is 125, gross profit is 25, and revenue from operations is given in the problem 8 lakh, what will be the gross profit? Okay, so revenue from operations and gross profit. When revenue from operations is 125 rupees, gross profit is 25. Revenue from operations given in the problem is 8 lakhs. For 8 lakhs revenue from operations, what will be the gross profit? Understood? अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला मांडणी करावी लागेल. सो 8 lakhs divided by 125 into 25. So answer is 1,60,000. सो रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स वरून आपण ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट काढलेला आहे. देअरफॉर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 1,60,000. ओके. आता आपल्याला आधी ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस काढावे लागतील बाय ॲडिंग ऑफिस अँड ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह एक्सपेन्सेस अँड सेलिंग एक्सपेन्सेस. देअरफॉर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेन्सेस इज इक्वल टू ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह एक्सपेन्सेस प्लस administrative means office and administrative expenses. Administrative expenses 20,000 and selling expenses 28,000. So it is 48,000 rupees operating expenses. Okay. Now to calculate operating profit, we have to deduct operating expenses from gross profit. Okay. So operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses. So operating profit is equal to gross profit, we have calculated 1,60,000 minus operating expenses 48,000. So answer is 1,12,000. So operating profit is 1,12,000. Now we have everything to calculate operating profit ratio. Therefore we will calculate operating profit ratio now. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. Okay. So operating profit is 1,12,000 divided by revenue from operations given in the problem is 8 lakhs into 100. These three zeros will be cancelled with these three zeros, and these with these we will divide by 8. So it is 14%. So operating profit ratio is 14% in this problem. Okay. So in this way we have to calculate operating ratios and operating profit ratio. We have solved some problems of operating ratio and some problems of operating profit ratio in these problems. Now you have to solve everything in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.